Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. I invite you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that little subscribe button down below, and also next to it is a little bell in which if you turn it on, it'll notify you every time that I do upload a new video so that you don't miss one single video. So my face is a hot mess right now. It is that girly time of the month and it clearly shows, right? I'm just applying my moisturizer. What I'm going to be doing today is a smoky eye. I haven't done one in a while, so I really wanted to do one for my YouTube. By the way, I'm using the St. Ives Timeless Skin. This is a moisturizer and it visibly reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. These kids are sucking the life out of me, so I need it. For today's smoky eye, I'm going to be taking my Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. This is an oldie but a goodie. Before I get into this video, I'm going to make sure that my brows are done because I don't want this to be a brow tutorial. I do have a brow tutorial. It is in Spanish, so I'm going to link it up here in case you guys are Spanish speakers and you guys want to watch it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do an English eyebrow tutorial. So let me get my eyebrows on and I'll be right back.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Okay guys, so I just finished doing my brows, and for this eye tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and bring you up close, so it's going to be really close and personal, just so you know. Okay, so the first color that I'm taking is going to be this color here. It's called Custard. I'm going to take Custard and I'm going to apply that as my transition color. This brush here is the BMX 430 and this is by Moda Pro. I always take it up towards the brow, not on the brow, but quite up there. Next, I'm going to be taking my Sigma E38 brush, and this is for the crease. I just got my first PR package from them, so I'm going to be using quite a few of their products in this video, just so you guys know. I'm going to take this color that almost matches my nail polish. It's called Jam. And I'm going to apply Jam right at the crease. Taking it up just a little bit. The bristles definitely feel a lot different on this brush. They are pretty soft and I feel like it just blended itself. Like I didn't have to put that much work into it. This brush blends beautiful, as you guys can see, obviously. Okay guys, so then I'm going to take this Morphe brush, and you guys can see it's Morphe. It just doesn't have the number because I bought it in a set. And as you can see, it is just a flat brush. I'm going to spray it here with my MAC Prep and Prime. This is the Fix Plus. I'm going to take the color Boo, and it has like a little shimmer to it, so I really want to avoid any fallout, so that's why I spritzed it with the Fix Plus. And just applying it there at the lid. So it's still a little wet, that's why you can't really see the sparkles as much, but they're there. So it doesn't have to look perfect because we're just gonna smoke that out, so don't worry. So I don't know if you guys can see that it does have the purplish reflex. It kind of has like purple teal reflex to it. This is the prettiest black shadow ever. I'm going to take the color Mud, that is right here. I'm going to be using the same Sigma brush and just kind of adding that to the crease. Really want to intensify that. So just keep working that in until it is pretty blended. And if you need to, just go ahead and add the black eyeshadow to that. But first I'm going to do this other eye before I apply it to this brush. So hold on, be right back. I'm just going to go back over it with the color Boot to intensify the black on my lid just a little bit more. Then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and this is also by Morphe, and taking the color Boot, which is the same black shade, that one right there, and just working that into the other color. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. Jumbo Pencil and I'm going to apply this at my waterline. I'm going to take the same color boot that I have on my lid and apply it down here. And the brush that I'm using is a Sephora smudge brush. Alright, that was my dog. The lower you bring your eyeshadow at the bottom, the more you hide your fine lines if you're getting old like me. Then taking the same brush that I used at my crease to blend out these colors here, I'm gonna take the color Mud, which I used up here, and just apply it down here. Whenever I do a smoky eye, I always do my foundation last, only because I'm scared to get the black on my foundation and then it's so hard to take off later. Alright, so now my eyes are done. I'm going to be taking the Sigma Sonicity Lash. So when you're doing your eyelashes, it's important that you take it very slow so that way a lot of product is distributed onto each eyelash strand. Don't do this, what a lot of girls tend to do. That really doesn't apply as much product onto your lashes, and that's why you might not be seeing the best results. I'll be taking these lashes by Tarte, and these are in the style Goddess. When I apply my eyelashes, I like applying them towards the end first and pulling them down towards my eyelashes, and then just applying them up here. Since the band does kind of cut off right about here, I always draw in this front part. Oh fuck, I almost poked the shit out of my... I'm going to use the liquid pen eyeliner, and this is in the color Wicked, and this is also by Sigma. And like I said, I'm just going to apply it towards this inner part. Now that they are both on, I'm going to take the next shade from the Venus palette, and this is the color, what's it called? I'm going to take the color Fly from the Venus palette. I sprayed some of this Fix Plus onto my table, and I'm just dabbing this brush here, dipping it into the color Fly, and just applying it towards this inner part. Just like that. Make sure it's pretty well blended. I just finished the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and apply my face makeup off camera. If you guys are interested in seeing what I use on the rest of my face, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will post a mini tutorial on there. And I'll put the link for my Instagram down below in the description box, so make sure that you do check that out. Okay you guys, so I told you guys that I was gonna put this face together. I know I'm exhausted, I know that I'm not getting any sleep with my kids and my freaking dog, but do I look tired? Do I look tired? No, I don't. So, you can accomplish this look, I know you can. It's super easy to accomplish this look. It's all in the blending of your eyeshadow when it comes to a smoky eye, because you really want to diffuse the black to the rest of the shades that are on your lid. If you guys do recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see you guys. I will even repost you guys on my story. So I use hashtag Traceydoesmakeup so that I can see all your guys' beautiful creations. So that completes this tutorial on this smoky eye. What do you guys think? If you guys are interested in purchasing any products with Sigma, you can use my code Tracey10 and you can save yourself 10% off. And I also make a commission from you guys using my code. I really love this eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadows are extremely easy to blend. This retails on the Lime Crime website for $38. I checked out that Ulta also carries them and they're $34. But on Lime Crime's website, they do have a promotion where you get the Venus 2 and the Venus Original palette, and you can get these for $58 together. So I think that's such a steal. My sister actually got these for me together. I think it was for Christmas, so thank you, Brenda, if you're watching. I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Giving this video a thumbs up or leaving any type of comments, it really does help my video get out there, so I really would appreciate it if you help the sister out. And as always, I will catch you in my next video.